Review Amagabeli 4 Packs Trellis, 60-inch. Amagabeli 4 Packs Trellis, 60-inch. If you are looking to enjoy lucrative deals when shopping for the best trellises for climbing roses, then Amagabeli Trellis could be your best purchase. First and foremost, the trellis comes tall, up to 60-inch high, to offer maximum support to your growing roses. Besides, it features a sturdy structure that is strong enough to support the weight of growing roses without breaking. As a result, you can rest guaranteed that it will serve you for a longer duration and save on your costs. Convincing yet, this best-shaped trellis for climbing roses has earned praises from previous buyers as it can be used to serve other purposes, apart from supporting rose plants. For example, it can be used to support small flower pots and other climbing plants, example beans, cucumber, vines, etc. Amagabeli Trellis key features. 4 packs. 60-inch high. Rust-proof metal. Sturdy and functional, no assembling. Stylish design. Thanks for watching.